Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome. My name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you are here. Yes, there is kind of a change of scenery. This is just temporary. It's just for this video. I have a backdrop stand on its way. It just hasn't made it here yet, and I didn't want to wait till September to unbox or unbag my August bags because I've been waiting on these for such a long time to get in. So I do have my Ipsy for August and also my Macy's Beauty box for August. Yeah, it's been crazy. I just finished my first week of classes and I went from, it's been crazy. Anyway, I'm all of a sudden full-time, and I might do a video on that if you're interested. I will have an update on things that are going to go on with my channel. So keep an eye out for that. That will be sometime in September. Once I get my backdrop, and you won't see my weird desk lamp and how awful my office is right now. It's always going to be awful, but I'm going to decorate it. Anyway, let's start with the Macy's Beauty box. I did throw the flyer in there so that I could see what they keep it together. So you do get the flyer. It does tell you everything in here, and it did come with a $5 off coupon this month, which is not the best, but it's better than some other ones. This is like a mesh. It's different. It's unlike anything I've gotten before. So it's kind of see-through, definitely porous, kind of cool. And then we have everything. Yep, it came, I got it really early in the month, and it's been sitting here waiting. So the first thing I'm seeing is a Battiscue cleansing oil, which sounds really nice. I like cleansing oils. I use those in the morning. It's kind of like my morning cleanser. I use an oil cleanser. This retails for $16 for a full size, so I'll be excited to use this. Let's see. Oh, it says to put it on a cotton pad. Oh, or you can apply it directly to your face. That's what I'm going to do. And my makeup is looking a little weird, and I don't know if it's the light or if it's the weird palette that I'm practicing with. So ignore my weird sunscreen, bronzer that doesn't look like it's blended to me, but it could look better once I start editing. I have a Coach cologne. Gosh, couldn't even think of words right now. Also, ignore my refrigerator. I keep drinks in there. It's very cute though, isn't it? So, Coach Men's Blue EDT retails for $87. That will be passed along because I don't use men's clones. Then I have from Coola. This is, and it's only filled to here. I can see it's very see-through, this container. So this is the Sunless Tan Anti-Aging Face Serum. So it's like a tanner. It retails for $54. I will be passing that along too, because obviously I don't do tanning because I'm so pale. We have from Caudalie, this is the Vinoperfect Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting. It retails for $79. I think this is the one that I've decided I don't really like, and I was just going to start passing this along. I'm going to go back and look because this is definitely new packaging though, and that sometimes throws you off. At least it throws me off. We have another Coach fragrance. This is the Dreams Sunset EDP, and this retails for $102 for the full size, which is absolutely crazy. I'm going to spray it on the back of my hand because I do have perfume on. This smells really good, actually. This is, it says it has fresh pear sorbet, jasmine, sambac, and tonka bean. And I do like it. I like it way more than the original Sunset. That's the original Dreams. It was very orange blossom heavy, and I'm not a fan of orange blossom. Yes, I stuck the paper back there. Just makes my life a little easier. Then we have from Glamglow, this is the Glowstarter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. It retails for $50 for a full size. This is a moisturizer that I actually really like, and I've worn it and used it. Mini tubes of the sample size. Usually they used to be a little bit bigger, but I will definitely use this one too because I think this one is a really good one. All right, and the final thing is from Laura Geller. This is a baked original highlighter, and it says it's in the shade French Vanilla, which I'm pretty sure I have already. So this is actually a pretty good size. I'm not going to swatch it because I know I have several of these and I have some that are in my declutter pile. So I don't want to swatch this in case it's one that I already have or one that I've already decluttered. So I'm just going to pass that one along. All in all, like, I think this was a good box for this month, but there's a lot of stuff that I'm passing along just because I already have it or it's not for me. So the highlighter I will be passing along. I will keep the perfume tanner, passing along. Glamglow, keeping. Cleansing oil, keeping. Men's cologne, passing on. Which leaves me with the Caudalie, and I can't remember. I might use it. I probably will because I love serums and I use them. I have a backlog of them though, so I don't need it, but I probably will keep it. Let me know if you get Macy's Beauty Box what you thought of this month's. Let me know what you think about September's because hopefully I'll get September's up a little bit quicker because I won't be trying to scramble and do school stuff right in the middle of getting my packages and everything. Ipsy, I almost started opening it. So this is this month's Ipsy bag. It's kind of like a snakeskin, faux snakeskin. And then mine has like the string. It's been driving me nuts. And then it is bright yellow or bright green inside. I am missing one of my items. I did check all of my things because I knew I wasn't going to be able to. I didn't check Macy's, but I checked Ipsy because Ipsy is notorious for sending broken things or missing things. Macy's, if you don't have something, it's your SOL. So the first thing I got in my Ipsy is this Grow Long Super Fast Strength Leave-In Conditioner by Marc Anthony. And a full size of this retails for $8, which is not too bad. And I definitely will use this. I use leave-in conditioners on a regular basis. Every time I get out of the shower, I put in a leave-in. So this one looks really good. I'm excited about that. The thing that wasn't included was an eyeshadow brush, and if I get that next month, I will show you because it hasn't been shipped yet. Well, it's been shipped, but it's taking its time to get to me. Then I got this Beauty for Real eyeliner in the shade Peacock. It looks really pretty, but I don't use eyeliner like ever, so I will be passing this along. It retails for $16, and I'm sure somebody will be excited because it is a blue eyeliner, which is really cool. I never use eyeliner. Then we have something from a brand that I'm not familiar with. It's called TYNT, and it is a clear brow gel, and it retails for $14. I will use this because I don't put anything in my brows other than a clear brow gel, so interested to try it. It's out of Vegas, which is kind of cool too. And then finally, the last thing I have is from THEBALM. This is a liquid lipstick in the shade Charming. And it looks like a pretty color. A little dark, but liquid lipsticks are pretty good for mask wearing. And it does have like a strong peppermint scent, which is a little disconcerting since I'm allergic to peppermint. So that retails for $17. The brow gel retails for $14. All in all, not too bad of a bag for this month. Not my favorite, not like I got some good makeup, but it's not all things that I will use. I'll probably try out the liquid lipstick and hope that it works. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy bags. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.